Welcome to 32 Ash Green Lane, a wonderful 3-bedroom brick bungalow just minutes from the historic urban center of beautiful Uxbridge. Landscaped with perennials, shrubs, and a flagstone walkway for great curb appeal, this home has a double-car garage with a man door to the side yard, as well as updated interior living and personal spaces with 9-foot ceilings throughout. The tiled entry hall has a double coat closet, and the tiled flooring is continued into the kitchen area and the hallway to the bedrooms. Through a columned entryway is the gorgeous open-concept entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, both which are finished with hardwood flooring and crown moldings. The living room features the coziness of a gas fireplace surrounded with marble and an updated mantle, as well as pot lighting. And the graciously sized dining area has a French door walkout to a 4-season lifestyle sunroom. Featuring a Napoleon gas stove for warmth, carpeted for extra coziness, and complete with blinds on the windows, the sunroom has a walkout onto a lovely deck that steps down to a fenced-in backyard with trees at the rear, mature perennial plantings, and a wonderful sense of privacy. For entertaining convenience, the dining room has direct access from the kitchen, a large work and family gathering space that has a cozy breakfast area, exceptional cabinetry storage with the upper cabinets having crown moldings and undermount lighting, a ceramic tiled backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, as well as white appliances including fridge, stove, built-in dishwasher, and microwave. Off the kitchen is a laundry room with washer, dryer, and access to the garage, as well as the staircase to the lower level, which is unfinished but has a 2 to 3 person infrared sauna, a water softener, and a heat recovery ventilation system. And above the kitchen sink is a wall cutout, which gives the kitchen an added openness to the living room. The foyer area and the hallway feature pot lighting and crown moldings, and the hallway also has a set of built-in cabinets for household storage. All 3 bedrooms are carpeted and naturally bright, with the 3rd bedroom, which is also a den, featuring a French door entry, a vaulted ceiling, and a built-in double Murphy bed. The 2nd bedroom is quite spacious, and completing the common area is a 4-piece washroom with a tiled floor and bath area. The master bedroom enjoys backyard views through its large window, and this generously sized personal space features a walk-in closet as well as a 4-piece ensuite washroom. Uxbridge has many great amenities, which include recreational and sports facilities, public transit, places of worship, the Uxbridge site of Markham Stouffville Hospital, the dining and entertainment of historic downtown Uxbridge, a performing arts theatre, the Uxbridge Shopping Centre, as well as golf courses and ski resorts, with many of these just minutes from this home. Regional Highway 47 connects to other regional roads and highways for commuting throughout Durham and York regions, and with over 220 kilometers of trails throughout the township for walking, biking, and nature watching, Uxbridge is known as the trail capital of Canada.